Hello, today I want to show you how to build a simple pizza oven with fire-resistant bricks. It's real easy to build and very cheap. So enjoy! First you lay down 4 rows of bricks. Make sure that the middle stone of the back wall is slightly to the back so that the smoke of the pizza oven can go through this tunnel. The hissing sound is from the moist in the bricks. I found out that you need to heat up the oven for about 1.5 hours and then it's ready for use for the pizzas. And as you can see, I can recommend you a proper pizza shovel like this. The pizza needs to bake for about 3 minutes in the oven and then you pull it out and turn it and put it back in for one more minute. When the top of the pizza isn't fully cooked, you can put the pizza back in the oven on the shovel and hold it against the upper stone so that the warmth of the upper stone warms the pizza, the top of the pizza. So did you like this video? Hit the like button and click the notification bell for future videos. Thank you for watching.